So in today's video, I'm going to explain why I believe it's very important to become your own best friend and how to do it, while also documenting the journey back to Bangkok and everything I've been up to lately. So yeah, we got an Airbnb in Chinatown. Got ready for the day and spent most of the day around CM Square, and we actually caught like a concert going on, and then ended the night back in Chinatown. And the next day got a condo in Saladang. Alright, so let's get into becoming your own best friend. So all transformation begins with the desire to change. You must want to be different before you can begin to change yourself. Visualize your future self, how you act, what you do, who you have around. Assume that you are already that person and live your life as if it's true. Make sure you take care of yourself first, mind, body, and soul. Spend quality time on your own, not having to rely on anyone for affirmation, and get to know yourself, what you like and what you don't like. All of this will make it easier to express yourself with confidence, make genuine friends, and just be more self-reliant and independent. At the end of the day, you need to be there for yourself in all aspects. Show up and take care of yourself every day. Become your own best friend. You need to love and believe in yourself before you can truly help anyone else, so take care of yourself for the ones you love. So stay disciplined, hold yourself accountable, and take consistent action towards your vision. And never give up on yourself. Keep moving forward. Truth and love always. Don't get brainwashed. And that's how to become your own best friend and why I believe it's very important to do so. I hope you're able to find some value in that, and hopefully you can use some of this advice in your own life to become your own best friend. Now at this point in the video, I'm with Tim at Open House at the top of Central Embassy, which is a beautiful workspace full of coffee shops, restaurants, a library, and surrounded by huge windows with beautiful views all around. So we decided to work there for the night.
Oh, sickest one yet. Place to work from at least.
After we were done working, we decided to go to Asiatique for the first time, which is a beautiful night market on the water, full of stores and restaurants, and yeah, a huge Ferris wheel too, which Nova was excited for.
You going on the Ferris wheel?